Hello? You here?
I'm waiting on you.
I'm looking at you. You say we always look first.
Just let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay.
What's good, YouTube?
This your girl Jazz.
And it's your boy Marcus, and we are Sofa King Jazz Mar. And today we bring y'all something new. We actually bring y'all a reaction video to Junior Chronicles.
Yes, he's my favorite thing to watch on YouTube.
She said it about everything.
No. He's legit. Do I not watch him almost every night?
Yeah, you do.
All right, this is my favorite. One of my favorite people on YouTube. So, if you haven't ever checked out a Junior Chronicle video, be sure to check out. Like, if you have never checked out a Junior Chronicle video, be sure to check him out. The link to this video will be down in the description. Super funny, his old man and his daughter, and hella funny. So you ready? So with this video, Junior hate when people sneeze or cough or do something like that around him. So it's kind of, we gonna react to his reaction. It's funny. He hella funny. You ready?
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, Lord, I don't know where I got this cold from.
You hear the laughing?
Hey, go ahead. What my throat was. I catch that bull. Why don't you go on with that shit, bro?
Is he scoot closer?
Damn.
I just got a little cough.
You ain't got shit. I don't know what the hell you got. Whatever yours, I don't want to catch it.
Look,
What it sound like she got, Junior?
open the door for the car.
I don't want to catch that shit. Whatever it is, I don't want to catch it.
Why you calling at me like that?
Why you keep calling your ass up there?
Look at his eyes.
She's sneaking up on him. She getting closer and closer.
Why is you looking at me like that?
Why you keep fucking around coughing and shit? Take your punk ass somewhere in there somewhere.
Take your punk ass.
Don't eat shit.
Damn, that's a big thing.
Is that sweet potato?
It look like it.
Go on, eat.
Watch it.
Oh, God.
Go on, eat, man. Just go on, eat them potatoes. Go on.
Damn, watch I
Terry
eat.
hella
Go on.
funny, too.
Hell.
Go on.
Your ass to bed somewhere.
Go on. Go on.
Oh, man.
He hella funny. You gotta see, I watch his hour videos. You know.
Yeah, I know.
He hella funny. So if you haven't checked him out, go check him out. The Real JR Chronicles. And yeah, hella funny. He got a whole bunch of videos. He's always live, so you always catch him live. But yeah. So we finna get off here and watch a Junior Chronicle video.
Are we?
Yes, we are. You know, I want to be a honeybee. He got honeybees. You send in your pictures. He tell you if he like you or not. If you like you can be a honeybee. So I'm just trying to get summertime fine, like he said, so I could get up on his wall and become a honeybee. What? Can I become a honeybee? Yes, I can.
You the queen bee. Why you want to be a
Okay.
honeybee?
Junior, let me be the queen bee. Junior,
No, you my queen bee.
if you see me, if you see this video, I love Junior. I love Terry.
All right.
I love Diddy.
All right.
I love D.
Make sure y'all go follow us on our social
Yes.
media. MarcusDoItBetter.
Yes, and mine is curly_QT, and then our joint is jazz_more3, and yeah, we be reacting to some more Junior Chronicles, so be looking forward because it's my favorite. Till next time, peace.